I also bent the old bars trying to pop a wheelie, so I needed new bars anyways. Oh, those handguards are pretty great. They definitely saved my bike many times now. So if you don't have handguards, I'd definitely look into them. I got these really cool ODI grips, which I messed up because I wasn't paying attention to their directions. So they were super fresh, super clean, and then I tried to install them not properly, so now they're ugly. But whatever, it is what it is. This is me about to start the bike, and I'll let you enjoy the sounds.